Welcome back! I'm so glad you're here. If you missed weeks 1 and 2, just go right here. Click on it. Don't miss it. You're here for weeks 3 and 4, plus how to help your insides heal to speed up the recovery. So let's skip a long intro and get right to the good stuff. All right, we're going to begin with your evening routine, starting with micellar water. Go ahead and remove all your makeup. Then we're gonna grab your cleanser and make sure that you get up into the hairline and slow it down and make your cleanse last about 1 minute long so that all those active ingredients can get into your skin. Then you're going to rinse and pat your skin dry. Next, apply your toner or your hydrating spray. Then you're going to apply your acne med. What's great about weeks 3 and 4 is you don't have to take it off. You leave it on for about 10 minutes before you apply the next step, which is your hydrating gel or your moisturizer. Once you're done with that, you can go to bed. Next, for your morning routine, we are going to cleanse the skin and then apply your toner. Next, you're going to apply your serum every single morning from here on out. Wait 5 minutes and then apply your moisturizer or your hydrating gel or oil and then your sunscreen. When we are in weeks 3 and 4, we really want to focus on good gut health. Some questions that you're going to want to ask yourself is, are you having 2 to 3 bowel movements per day? Do you feel gassy or bloated after meals? Does your stomach hurt after eating? These are a few signs that your gut health may be off. Many skin conditions start with poor digestion and not being able to flush toxins and hormones out of the body. Poor digestion is like adding gasoline to a fire. If you don't have enough stomach acid during digestion to break down your food, absorb nutrients, you're not going to have enough of the good bacteria to fight off things like parasites and candida. These are all things that set up the perfect environment for acne to flourish. I would like to know how your skin looks and how you're feeling about all these new changes. Let me know in the comments below and I'll answer any questions that you have so far. During these next 2 weeks, we're really going to focus on improving our digestion. One of the ways that you can do that is to snack less. Giving your stomach a break will actually improve digestion. Another thing that you can do is to slow down and chew your food. Lowering stress during the day is also going to improve your digestion. Another way that you can improve digestion is adding more fiber to your diet. For some people that might be kind of hard, and so you could start with cereals like Poop Like a Champion first thing in the morning to really stimulate better bowels. And you can also include more fermented foods. Oxy powder and more magnesium into your diet is going to help with digestion and better bowel movements. Another important thing is to get yourself out of fight or flight so that you don't shut down your digestive system during the day. And also, if you just click on this video right here, I have a whole bunch of tips for better digestion, how to use digestive bitters and digestive enzymes to help your stomach. Right here. You can also support your liver by eating nutrient-dense foods that are high in detoxing antioxidants like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, mustard plants, and similar green leafy vegetables. Reducing your exposure to ultra-processed foods is going to really improve and support your liver function. And a great hack that most people ignore, but it has so many benefits, is coffee enemas. They're one of my favorite things to do to stimulate the liver. You can also increase your protein intake to 30 to 40 grams per meal. This is also going to help stabilize blood sugar and help you to feel full during the day. And it's also going to speed up the recovery time it takes to repair skin wounds, such as acne. As you can see, stimulating your digestion and better liver support, it's not hard. You just have to be conscious about what you're doing during the day. My advice is to take 1 or 2 suggestions and implement that into your day, and then just stack your habits one on top of another. And over time, you will start to feel better and notice improvements in your skin. You'll notice that you will have better bowel movements, your energy improves, your hyperpigmentation starts to reduce in the skin, and you have less breakouts. I'll see you over in this video where you can learn the final 2 steps of your skincare routine, plus other helpful advice on how to support your insides as well as your outsides.